Good morning, Year 4. In Maths today, we are going to be learning how to plot line graphs. So there's my uncompleted line graph, which we're going to complete today. So, the table here shows how quickly a beaker of water was heated up using a Bunsen burner. So this is the time on the left, and on the right, the temperature. Okay, so I know that in 2 minutes my water temperature was 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, I know that in 7 minutes my temperature was 80 degrees Celsius. So we need to plot this information on this graph. We first need to look at our axes. Now the horizontal line here is called the x-axis. So I'm just going to label that so we all know that is called the x-axis. And the vertical line here is called the y-axis. Now they've already been labelled for us. The time is an x-axis and the temperature the y-axis. Okay, we need to add our numerical values here. Okay, so in simple terms we need to put our numbers here so that we can complete our line graph. So if we go to our time, it is from 0 to 10. So let's look at our increments here. So 0 would go there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I can go in ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then I need to look at my temperature, which goes from 10 to 100. So I can't possibly label my increments from 1 to 10, but I can do it from 10 to 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. So I can put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, I need to start plotting my line graph with this information. So, in 0 minutes, the temperature of my water was 10 degrees Celsius. So, in 0 minutes, the temperature of my water was 10 degrees. So I need to plot right there, okay? In 1 minute, the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. So 1 minute, temperature, 20 degrees. So 1 minute, going up to 20 degrees with my pencil, okay? In 2 minutes, the temperature was 30 degrees Celsius. So 2 minutes, the temperature was 30. So 2 minutes going up to my temperature, which is 30. In 3 minutes, my temperature was 50 degrees Celsius. So 3 minutes, all the way to 50 degrees Celsius. In 4 minutes, my temperature was 60 degrees. So 4 minutes to 60. In 5 minutes, my temperature was 60 degrees. In 6 minutes, my temperature was 70 degrees Celsius. In 7 minutes, my temperature was 80 degrees Celsius. And in 8 minutes, my temperature was also 80 degrees Celsius. In 9 minutes, it was 90 degrees Celsius. and in 10 minutes it was 100 degrees Celsius. Excuse me. So then after that, we need to join our dots together to make a line graph. Now we need to do this with a ruler. So if you get your ruler and you start joining them up together, once you've joined them up together, it should then look like this, okay? Now that is how you plot a line graph, okay? Let me just check to make sure. So 8 minutes, 80 degrees, see 8 minutes, yeah,